If you are working a normal 9-to-5 job or enjoying at home, buying a modern luxury car in 2026 is slow-motion financial suicide. $800 a month for a plastic iPad on wheels, mathematically guaranteed to self-destruct the second the warranty ends. But they are hiding a loophole. Between 2000 and 2010, the auto industry made a massive mistake. Obsessed engineers, not accountants, were running the show. They accidentally overbuilt luxury cars with thick cast-iron engine blocks, bulletproof transmissions, and steel timing chains designed to outlast you. Then the bean counters arrived. The spreadsheets won. Those machines got abandoned on the used market for a fraction of their price. Today I am exposing the only 5 luxury cars you should buy on a normal salary. A forgotten German tank hiding its reliability. A Swedish fortress so understated it makes you invisible. And at number 1, a V8 so indestructible dealerships reportedly banned it from certified pre-owned programs because they cannot make a single dime off your repair bills. Stop being a slave to the finance office. Let us get into the engine block forensics of car number 5. Car number 5, Acura RL, 2005 to 2010. The legend's final form. Honda built this car to show off. The Acura RL was Honda's direct statement that they could out-engineer BMW and Mercedes with a drivetrain that would never see a tow truck. The engine and the system. The J35 V6, 3.5 liters, 300 horsepower, 30 million fleet miles of data across Accords, Pilots, Odysseys, MDX. Honda engineers out every weakness before the flagship gets it. The real story is SH-AWD, super handling all-wheel drive, independent torque vectoring between left and right rear wheels. Outside rear gets more torque under cornering, pulls the car in rather than pushing it wide. BMW M division was charging $60,000 premiums for this exact technology. Honda put it in a $43,000 sedan. KBB lists the 2007 Acura RL at $3,800. BMW M technology for the price of a weekend trip. The maintenance gap. The J35 requires a timing belt service at 90,000 miles. Parts kit, $180. Independent shop, $250. Total under $500. Dealership, $900 to $1,200. Every owner who panics and sells is funding your bargain. Golden Era Inspection Guide, 2005 to 2008 Acura RL. Budget, $3,500 to $7,000. Timing belt confirmed in records, or budget $500 for service. SH-AWD test under moderate cornering. Any grinding means neglected rear differential fluid, $200 to fix. Transmission fluid clean pink. But while this car has the technology, the next one has the kind of build quality that makes mechanics stop and stare at the cylinder wall thickness. Car number 4, Volvo S80 2007 to 2010. The Nordic Fortress. Invisible Luxury is a 2009 Volvo S80 pulling up to a hotel. The doorman does not think you are showing off. Nobody is writing your plate number. You are just a professional who made a sensible choice. And inside that choice is a naturally aspirated inline-six with a steel timing chain and 0 documented reasons to fail. The engine forensics. The B6324S inline-six, 3.2 liters, 235 horsepower, no turbocharger, no intercooler, steel timing chain, lasts the life of the engine. Cast iron liners inside an aluminum block, aluminum's weight advantage, cast iron's bore wear resistance where it matters. At 150,000 miles, the bore walls look nearly identical under a bore scope to 30,000 miles. Material science, not marketing. KBB lists the 2007 S83.2 at $2,764. Original MSRP $41,400. Under $3,000 for Swedish crash engineering and a naturally aspirated 6 that does not want to break. The maintenance gap. The PCV crankcase ventilation oil saturates on high-mileage examples and fouls the throttle body. $40 part, 45 minutes. Dealership, $400. That gap, 400 versus 40, defines the Golden Era maintenance reality. Golden Era Inspection Guide, 2007 to 2010, S83.2. Budget, $2,500 to $5,000. PCV hose, light misting normal. Heavy sludge means $40 part and an afternoon. Transmission fluid clean. Cold start, 15 seconds. No sustained metallic chain rattle. No rattle means a healthy engine that will outlast your patience for owning it. Car number 3, Infiniti G35, 2003 to 2008, the 350Z in a tuxedo. Award-winning 10 consecutive years. Used in race applications globally. 0 turbos. Revs to 7,000 RPM. Maintenance cost, slightly more than a Nissan. Because it is slightly more than a Nissan. That is the entire secret of the VQ35DE. The VQ35DE. Engine block forensics. The VQ35DE, 3.5 liters, 280 horsepower, cast iron lower end with aluminum head, generously sized oil galleries. Bearing journal circulation does not restrict at sustained high RPM the way it does on turbocharged 4s at comparable output. VQ35 rod bearings at 200,000 miles, within factory spec. Turbocharged BMW N20 at the same mileage. Discussing replacement costs. Ward's 10 best engines, 10 consecutive years, not once. 10. The competition tried. The VQ kept winning. KBB lists the 2007 G35 at $6,400. Original MSRP $34,000. Rear-wheel drive. 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. BMW performance. Nissan maintenance costs. The maintenance gap. Spark plugs require intake manifold removal. The access point that inflates dealer quotes. Dealer, 4 to 500. Independent, 150 to 200. DIY, $30. The VQ35 is not expensive. The dealer access premium is expensive. Golden Era Inspection Guide, 2005 to 2008 G35 sedan. Budget $4,000 to $8,000 under 100,000 miles. Cold start quiet within 10 seconds. Oil filler cap underside clean. Milky residue means walk. Rear differential. Any binding in a slow turn means limited slip fluid change. $100. Rear-wheel drive Japanese luxury for the price of a lease security deposit. Car number 2. Mercedes E-Class W211. Facelift 2007 to 2009. The Redemption Era. There is a specific version of the W211 mechanics call the Redemption Era car. Not the 2003, not the 2005. The 2007 to 2009 facelift, where Mercedes quietly fixed everything that made the earlier W211 a financial trap, and kept everything that made it look like old money. The critical year distinction. The 2003 to 2006 W211 has 2 traps. The Sensitronic brake control, an electro-hydraulic system that fails on high-mileage examples at $2,000 to $4,000 a repair, and the M272 V6 balance shaft sprocket wear issue, a $3,000 to $5,000 timing-related failure at high mileage. The 2007 facelift eliminated SBC entirely, reverting to a conventional master cylinder. Cars produced after May 2006 received corrected balance shaft components. The 2007 to 2009 W211 E350 with the corrected M272 V6 is what a mechanic means when they say last Mercedes built like a tank. The engine forensics. The corrected M272, 3.5 liters, 268 horsepower, 7-speed 7G-tronic, one of the smoothest gear sequences of the era, cast aluminum block with iron liners. Classic.com records the lowest 2007 W211 E350 sale price in 2025 at $5,500. Average, $12,700. The 3-pointed star communicates a social signal unchanged for 40 years. Brand equity that costs you nothing at the bottom of the depreciation curve. The maintenance gap. Mercedes genuine oil filter, $35. Man or Male equivalent, 8 to 12. Dealer oil service, $220 to $280. Independent, $80 to $120. DIY, $30. Almost entirely dealer premium, not parts complexity. Golden Era Inspection Guide, 2007 to 2009 W211 E350 only. Budget $5,000 to $12,000. Build date post-May 2006 confirmed on door jamb. Transmission fluid clean red. Brake booster. 5 firm pumps with engine off then start. Pedal should drop slightly. Any sponginess means brake inspection. Cold start M272. 30 seconds. No metallic timing area rattle on a corrected spec engine. Car number 1. Lexus LS430, 2001 to 2006. The Presidential Vault. This is the one. Every list about truly reliable luxury cars eventually arrives here. The Lexus LS430. Owner reviews document 450,000 miles still running on nothing but oil changes. Dealerships reportedly excluded from certified pre-owned programs because they cannot make money off an owner who never needs to visit. The 3UZ-FE, the tissue paper test. The 3UZ-FE, 4.3 liters, 290 horsepower, naturally aspirated, no turbos, no fragile plastic thermostat housing, cast iron block, forged steel crankshaft, tolerances so precise that mechanics place a tissue paper sheet on the intake manifold at idle and watch it sit completely still. Engine vibration at idle comes from combustion pressure pulses. In a poorly balanced engine, you feel those pulses through the steering wheel. In the 3UZ-FE, the rotating assembly is balanced so tightly the pulses cancel before reaching the engine mounts. The tissue does not move because the engine is not vibrating. Cylinder wall thickness, solid cast iron throughout, measurably greater than the aluminum block V8s from BMW and Mercedes of the same era. Greater wall thickness means consistent bore geometry across the full temperature range. Consistent geometry means ring seal stays tight at 200,000 miles, which is why this engine crosses 450,000 miles without internal work. KBB lists the 2004 LS430 starting at $5,000. Original MSRP $63,500. You are paying for what remains after the novelty expires, the engineering, and the engineering does not expire. The maintenance gap. The LS430 has a timing belt. This single fact drives the price down and should not. Dealer belt service, $1,200 to $1,600. Independent shop, $400 to $600. Parts kit, $160. Every listing that says timing belt due is a price reduction opportunity. Factor it into your offer and walk away with a $63,000 car for $5,000 plus $500 in maintenance. Golden Era Inspection Guide, 2001 to 2006. LS430, prefer 2004 facelift, budget $4,000 to $9,000. Timing belt confirmed in records or factored into offer. Cold start quiet within 15 seconds. Rear suspension, 4 corners level after 10 minutes parked. Oil filler cap clean. The car that cannot be killed costs less than a laptop. Go find it tonight. The new car scam. A $600 monthly payment on a normal salary is slow-motion financial suicide. Every month you fund the depreciation of a turbocharged 4-cylinder wrapped in plastic that requires a $3,000 timing chain service at 90,000 miles, right after the warranty expires. By design, not accident. These 5 Golden Era cars let you drive the best engineering this segment ever produced. Cast iron blocks, steel chains, bulletproof transmissions built before accountants discovered that complexity equals recurring revenue. Your neighbors pay for the plastic in their new SUV. You pay for the engineering in a car that already proved it lasts 500,000 miles. Hit subscribe. The Golden Era Inspection Guide is in the description. Which 2000s legend are you taking home? Drop it in the comments.